Cruising offers luxury, relaxation, and breathtaking views, but only if it's done right. Many travelers prepare for excursions and onboard entertainment, but completely overlook how important it is to manage things inside their own room. That's where the real trouble can begin. Whether you're on a quick getaway or a long voyage, your cabin is your sanctuary, and how you treat it can make or break your cruise experience. In this video, we'll break down the serious cruise ship mistakes you should never make in your cabin, from safety slip-ups to financial traps and etiquette errors that can get you flagged by cruise staff. These are the things most people don't tell you, but they can affect everything from your comfort to your wallet. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more essential cruise advice, travel guides, and smart tips to make every voyage smooth, safe, and stress-free. It might feel amazing to keep the balcony doors open and let the ocean breeze fill the room, but this is a mistake that can cause serious issues. Cruise cabins are climate-controlled, and leaving the balcony door open throws the whole system out of balance. The air conditioning can stop working properly, and in many cases, the room can become humid, leading to condensation buildup and slippery floors. Even worse, when the cabin door is opened while the balcony door is also open, a strong wind tunnel effect can occur. That sudden gust of wind can slam doors shut violently, damaging property or even injuring someone. It's not just an inconvenience, it's a real hazard. Always keep either the balcony door or the cabin door closed at all times. Enjoy the view, breathe in the sea air, but never compromise cabin safety and comfort for a breeze. Many guests forget how vital the Do Not Disturb sign is on a cruise. Unlike hotels, cruise cabins are regularly checked by housekeeping and sometimes security staff. If you don't use the sign correctly, staff may enter the cabin while you're resting or changing, leading to uncomfortable and avoidable situations. Worse, failing to use the sign for long periods can raise concerns. Cruise staff may interpret silence or non-response as a possible emergency, which could lead to a wellness check. That might sound harmless, but having your cabin entered while you're inside or asleep can be both jarring and embarrassing. Always use the Do Not Disturb sign when needed, and remove it once you're ready for room service or cleaning. It's a simple action that protects your privacy and prevents unnecessary interruptions. Some travelers think they can outsmart cruise security by sneaking in banned items like irons, candles, or even alcohol. Not only is this risky, but it can also lead to fines, confiscation, or even removal from the ship. Cruise lines have strict safety policies for a reason. Things like heating appliances or open flames can be extremely dangerous in a confined space. Security checks are thorough. Luggage is scanned before boarding, and cabins may be randomly inspected. If prohibited items are found, passengers risk losing privileges or facing disciplinary action. That's not the kind of attention anyone wants during a vacation. Respect the cruise line's list of prohibited items. It ensures safety for everyone and prevents you from starting your trip with unnecessary stress or embarrassment. Many cruise passengers wrongly assume their cabin is automatically secure, but that's a risky assumption. While crew members are trustworthy and professional, accidents or misunderstandings can happen. Leaving cash, jewelry, passports, or electronics out in the open is never a good idea. Every cabin comes equipped with a small safe. It's there for a reason. Use it. Placing your valuables inside gives peace of mind, whether you're heading to the pool deck or disembarking for a shore excursion. Even if theft is rare, why take the chance when security is just a keypad away? Make it a habit to lock up your essentials every time you leave the cabin. That simple step can save you from a ruined vacation and the hassle of replacing lost documents or belongings. Many travelers try to dry swimsuits or damp clothes by hanging them on whatever is available, including sprinkler heads in the cabin. This is an extremely dangerous mistake. Cruise ship sprinkler systems are highly sensitive. Hanging anything on them can accidentally trigger the fire alarm system, setting off a full emergency response. In some cases, the sprinklers might actually go off, flooding the cabin and nearby areas. That can lead to damage, cleanup charges, and serious disruptions for you and other passengers. Use the provided clothesline in the bathroom or ask the crew for drying racks if necessary. Never, under any circumstance, hang anything from a sprinkler. The risk is simply not worth it. Cruise ships may seem like floating hotels, but energy conservation on board is critical. Leaving lights, TVs, or chargers running all day not only wastes electricity, but can also overheat the cabin, especially in small enclosed spaces. Some cabins are equipped with energy-efficient systems that power down when the keycard is removed, but many older ships don't have this feature. More importantly, excessive electricity use in your cabin can cause breakers to trip or contribute to the ship's overall power strain, which may lead to temporary outages or malfunctions. This is not just a courtesy issue. It affects the efficiency of the entire vessel. Make it a habit to turn off all electronics and lights when leaving the cabin. It's a simple action that helps conserve power, protect equipment, and maintain comfort for everyone on board. While cruise ships maintain high cleanliness standards, no environment is entirely immune from issues like bed bugs or allergens. Guests often throw down their luggage, unpack, and lie on the bed without first checking for signs of trouble. This can lead to discomfort or even allergic reactions, especially for sensitive travelers. Upon entering your cabin, it's wise to take a minute to inspect the mattress seams, pillows, and couch upholstery. Look for reddish stains, tiny black dots, or any unusual smell. If anything seems off, report it immediately to guest services for a room change or deep cleaning. Taking this simple precaution can save you from itchy nights, health problems, and the frustration of trying to switch cabins once the ship is full. Many cruise cabins are compact, and travelers often overpack. As a result, luggage is shoved in corners, blocking walkways or even emergency access routes. In the event of an emergency evacuation, this becomes a serious hazard. The floor space should always be clear, especially near the door and under beds where life jackets are stored. Blocking access could delay your escape or cause injury during sudden ship movements. After unpacking, store suitcases in designated spaces, under the bed or in closets. Keep the pathway to exits and emergency gear completely clear at all times. Safety must always come before convenience. Cruise cabins might seem like private havens, but how they're used can affect not just your own experience, but everyone around you. From safety hazards to etiquette missteps, these serious cruise ship mistakes you should never make in your cabin are essential to avoid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more cruise travel tips, destination guides, and expert advice. Stay smart, stay safe, and enjoy every moment of your voyage.